Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the flash effect mix to your videos in Funimate. So here, what you need to do is add the clip and just go straight to the effect mix. Click on the flash category, then choose to where you want to apply the effect. For example, I want to apply it in here. Then just choose the effect that you want to apply and long press it so that it applies to the clip like this. Long press and stop to where you want the effect to stop. Now you can just go back, and this is the flash effect that you apply. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.